In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can add pauses in your voiceovers in Murf AI to make it sound more realistic and just give it a better effect. So I'm going to show it to you without a pause first, and you can see what it sounds like.
So what if you could create high-quality voiceovers using AI and never pay a fortune for real voiceovers ever again?
So that's what it sounds like without adding a pause. I feel like there should be a pause right here before I continue the second part of this. So I'm just going to click the space right here and click add pause, and I'll make it medium pause and see how that sounds. Now, by the way, if you want to sign up for Murf AI for free, you can use the link in the description. Anyway, let's see what this sounds like.
So what if you could create high-quality voiceovers using AI and never pay a fortune for real voiceovers ever again?
Pretty decent, but I think the pause is a little bit too long, so we can delete that right here and maybe make it a little bit shorter so we can do a weak pause and regenerate the audio. And let's hit play.
So what if you could create high-quality voiceovers using AI and never pay a fortune for real voiceovers ever again?
Sounds pretty good to me. So I hope you find that useful. If you want to sign up to Murf AI completely for free, like I have with this free account, then you can do that using the link in the description. I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.